Pressreader is a publication package that contains thousands of newspaper and magazine journal titles from around the world. As well as academic titles, it also contains general interest magazines, so it should be something for everyone to enjoy. This resource works both on and off-site. You can also download titles to your device. To sign into Pressreader, click Sign In. Then select Library or Group. In the search box, enter University College Isle of Man, and click Enter. Click on UCM. It will then ask you to sign in using OpenAthens. Sign in using your usual UCM username followed by @ucm.ac.im. Your password will be your normal UCM password. Click on Select Publication. You can browse all the publications. To read any publication, simply click on the picture of the newspaper or magazine and click Read Now. Click the heart icon to add to My Publications. Click the audio icon if you want to listen to the publication. To read the publication, you can use left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. Go to the right end of the screen to click to move, or just move the pages of your touch screen. Click on Catalogue to view the range of publications or browse the categories. You can also download Pressreader to your phone or device. Search the App Store and download. Any questions or issues with login, please contact the library.